Welcome to codersclub.in. So in this video, we will look into the three tags, that is caption, t-head and t-body. So these three tags are also used with the table, HTML tables. So what I will do is I will take the fruits table, whatever we have created in the previous video. So in the previous video, what we have done, table border equal to 1. And we have made a table of fruit name and price. We have got 3 rows of data, that is apple, banana and orange, and one row we are having as a heading. Okay, so see, basically what is happening is that in this table, see this first row, this is the heading actually. Okay, and all this is table data. Okay, so we have a tag like this t-head. So this is the table heading. So you close after this table heading. This is how we have to use t-head, and then this is table body, and then close it here. After here the body ends actually. So t body. See what we have done is that, so what is this t head and t body? See, these are called as structural tags. That means you will not see any difference on the browser, but this is giving a structure to the HTML actually. Okay, so all this portion belongs to table head, and all this portion belongs to table body. Okay, otherwise if we don't have this t head and d body, means we have in the heading also we have tr, and in the body also we have tr, and what is differentiating between the head and the actual data is this tag called as th and td. So it is better to differentiate the head and the body by using this tags called as t head and t body. So we can call these tags as a structural tags. That means it is giving a structure to a table, but no difference is made in the output. See, let's see the output here. See, no difference is made. So if we observe this page source, you see here, see the t body is appearing here, t body is ending here, t body is starting here, and t body is ending here. But as far as the output is concerned, we don't see any difference. So that is why we call that as a structural tags. It gives a structure to the HTML table, that's all. And we will see another tag called as caption. So this caption appears on the output actually. So we'll use like this, caption tag, and fruits prices. So I have given here as caption, means it is basically a heading to the whole table itself. So this caption tag has to be used within the table. Okay, before t head it is used actually. Okay, caption fruits prices I have given. So I will save this, and then we will see it in the browser. See here, fruits prices. So it is appearing on the screen. So this caption tag is not a structural tag, but whereas the tags such as t body and t head and t body are the structural tags. So this is the way how to use these three tags. That is, caption is a tag which is used within the table. So this is used to give a heading to the table itself, and t head and t body are used to separate the table heading and table body. Thank you.